The Devils can't establish possession. Taking right back in. Martinook, backhand feed knocked down by Nico Hischier. Martinook, Stankoven, let's go!
Eventually the dam's gonna break here. A strong defensive play by Nico Hischier, and then when he turns the puck over, Martinook stays on the forecheck and swats it out to the slot area where Logan Stankoven is waiting. Stankoven, who was a Dallas first-rounder, traded in the Mikko Rantanen